Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can notify team members about candidates assigned to job or talent pool on Slack. Now Slack is a platform where you can have various kinds of channels where you can communicate with your team members, and Recruitee is a platform where people find jobs, post jobs and apply for jobs. Now Recruitee has a feature where a member, or I should say a candidate, can be put into different pipelines. For example, we have three pipelines. First one is applied for interview, second one is interview in progress, and third one is hired. Now what will happen whenever a candidate will be moved from one pipeline, which is applied for interview, and he will be moved to another pipeline which is hired? What will happen? The details of the candidate will be shared to Slack channel to our team members, and only the details of the candidate who has been hired will be shared. Okay, now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Recruitee and Slack together. Okay, now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now on our screen. So what you have to do, you have to go to the address bar, type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will type that and press enter, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Now here you have two options: either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now if you already have an account, you can sign in. If you are not having an account, you have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So let's just go for sign in, because I already have my account here. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose Pabbly Connect, access now. And now you can see I will have a new window here where I will have all my automations. Here you can see these are all my workflows. Now we are going to create a new workflow. Now we are going to give it a name. So here what we are going to do, we are going to write Recruitee to Slack. Because I'm sending it to the Slack channel, so I'm writing it Recruitee to Slack, because I'm connecting them both. You can name it whatever you want to, it's up to you. Now you can see here we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. So what is happening here? So we are going to go for Recruitee, and in a Recruitee what we are doing, we are moving the candidate to another pipeline. So we are selecting this candidate is moved to another pipeline. Now here what you have to do, you have a webhook URL which will help you connect Recruitee to your Pabbly Connect account. Now how you are going to do that, you have to copy this webhook URL, and then you have to read these instructions here. And after reading these instructions here, you have to go and follow these instructions. Now I am just going to go and tell you how to do this. I am not going to read this. You can read it later on. So we will go here, then we will click on settings. Here we will go for apps and plugins, and here we will go for webhooks. Now here you can see we have an option for a new webhook. So I'll just go here and I will name it Recruitee to Slack integration. Okay. Now, now what we are going to do here, we have to post the webhook URL, which we will copy from this Pabbly Connect account, and paste it here or post it here, whatever you feel comfortable with. And now here what we have to do, here it is clearly written that you have to select the event move on pipeline. So go back here and select the event move on pipeline, and where is that? Here is this. So verify and create. So now we have created and verified a new webhook URL. So what we are going to do now, we have connected our Pabbly Connect account to our Recruitee account, and here you can see it is looking for the webhook response. So I'll just click on a recapture webhook response. Now whenever I will move someone from the pipeline, from one pipeline to another pipeline, that detail will be sent to the Pabbly Connect account. Now how it's done? This is the option for jobs, and here is the option for talent pools. So for talent pools as well as jobs, the procedure will be same, and because I have the title jobs and talent pool, so I'm just going to show you for jobs. The same thing and the same instructions will be for the talent pools, and you can follow it. Okay. So let me just go to HR executive. Now this is Shikha Arya. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hire Shikha Arya now. So here I will go and drag it to hired, and you can see now hired one is Shikha Arya. Now I'll go back, and here you can see the webhook response is Shikha Arya. This is her number. This is the company name, and this is the stage name, hired. Okay. And this is the position for which she has been hired. Now what we are going to do, we are going to put a filter here. Now why are we doing that? Because whenever someone will come here to your jobs and to a specific profile, first he will go to phone interview, then he will go to on-site interview, then he will go to evaluation. So whenever he will pass on the different stages, our automation will collect the different stages and will collect the data here in Pabbly Connect. But we only want to send the channel message on Slack for the hired candidates. So what we are doing, we are going to make a filter here which will only allow the data for hired candidates to be sent on our Slack channel. Okay, clear? So what we are going to do, we are just going to go here and we will select the status. Sorry, I selected wrong information. So this is the payload details to stage name. It is hired. Okay. And here, hired. Okay. Now save and send test request. And as soon as you will do that, you can see the status is success, message condition is true. So now only that detail will be sent to our Slack channel who will be hired. So in our next step, we are going to select Slack. And here we are going to select send channel message. And I'm just going to connect it. Now, when you are connecting with Slack, what will happen? It will first ask you for the token type. Either it is an user or it is a. So here we are doing the automation through bot. So we are going to select bot and click on save. Now here it will ask you for the authorization. Please let it authorize, because Pabbly Connect won't be able to work without the authorization, and your data with the Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. You do not have to worry about it. Okay. So just click on allow. Okay. And here you can see my Slack has been connected here. Now we will go back here and I'll show you this is the channel Pabbly Connect. And here I do not have any message. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select a channel here, Pabbly Connect. This is my channel. Now message. So what I'm going to do, I am going to write in a message, write a message in this field, and that would be a manual typing. Plus I am also going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take this data here and it will let me put the data here in this window. Okay. So we'll type in hello team. We have. Now here I am just going to map hired a new candidate. Now I am going to map the name of the candidate Shikha Arya for the position of. Now here I am going to put the position HR executive and the details of the candidate are. And here I am going to put the details. So first one is phone number. And second one is Gmail. Okay. So details of the candidate are, this is number and this is the Gmail. Let me just put in Gmail here. So we are done now. Hello team, we have a new candidate for the position of HR executive, and the details of the candidate are, and these are the details. Now I do not want to put any image URL, alt text or anything else. Bot name should be Pabbly Connect. I am putting it in manually. and I do not want to put anything else here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see here is a response, okay. And here you can see the message. We will go back to our Slack channel, and here you can see we have a new message. Hello team, we have hired a new candidate, Shikha Arya, for the position of HR executive, and the details of the candidate are this and this. Okay. Let me do it for another candidate. I have one more candidate here, Adam Smith. So let me just drag it to the position of hired. Okay. And let me just go back here, and you can see we have a new message. Hello team, we have hired a new candidate, Adam Smith, for the position of HR executive, and the details of the candidates are, number is this and Gmail is this. So this is how you can connect your Recruitee to your, wait a minute, to your Slack channel, where whenever a new candidate is moved to another pipeline, you can easily send the message to your Slack channel to your team, so that your team will be notified of the new candidate. So friends, if you want to copy and clone this workflow, you can just go to my description box and clone it into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and to have an account, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So just go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.